Human beings constantly need to adapt their functioning and their attitude when confronted with crisis in order to begin and manage the recovery process. This exhibition project addresses humankind's capacity of resilience through the work of 7 international artists. Yvon Argot invites us to walk on words. Corinne Silva proposes to observe bullet impact in the bark of trees in Sarajevo, while Irène Laub draws the way insurgents were hiding during the Greek Civil War. Michel Magema develops visual strategies to counteract the damages of colonialism in Congo, and Shiraz Beiju reveals haunted places in Mauritius. Younes Baba Ali and Yunamin observe how savage capitalism is usurping natural sources as much as it is imposing its own values. Those 2 artists operate on the poetic level to resist the alienation post-colonial countries are going through.